This is Mahmoud Hassan Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the top view, this is the front view, and this is the right side view. First of all, I will start drawing from the top view. In the top view, I will draw this rectangle, and this rectangle has a dimension of 125 by 112 unit. After drawing that rectangle, I will extrude it to 12 unit. Then in the rectangle we can see we have fillet here, here in the four corner, and this fillet has a dimension of 125 minus 105 divided by 2 unit. So here we have 20 dimension and it divided by 2 units, so it will be 10 unit fillet, and here the fillet will be 112 minus 92 divided by 2 units. So here the dimension will be 20, so divided by 2 will be 10 unit fillet. After that we can see we have 4 extrude cut cycle in the four corner, and it has a dimension of 11 diameter. So for dimensioning the diameter we will use the fillet center point to place the circle, then we will dimension it to 11 unit diameter, then we will extrude cut it. So first of all let's do this. So selecting the top plane, now sketch, now select the center rectangle, now place the rectangle to the origin, now dimension it to 112 by 125 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude boss, now extrude boss it to 12 unit. Now press OK. After that it times for doing the fillet, so select the fillet option, now fillet it to 125 minus 105 divided by 2 unit, so it will be automatically 10. If you also select this portion, it will also be give 10 value. So click the four corner, so I'm selecting the four corner, now press OK. Now you can see now it's time for drawing these holes, and they are diameter of 11 unit. So I'm selecting this top face, now sketch, now normal to it, now select a circle and place the circle to previous fillet center point, and now dimension it to 11 unit, and also select the other side also, and in here we can see we have a dimension of 11 unit. So same as usual, give dimension here 11 unit, and the last corner also select this and dimension it to 11 unit. Now isometric it for a better view, now go to features, now extrude cut, now extrude cut it to through all, now press OK. So we can see we have cut our extrude cut. Now it's time for next portion. In our next portion we can see we will draw this rectangular shape, and for drawing this rectangular shape, we first of all I will take a center line point from here, and this center line has a dimension of this point to this point is 50 unit, then it has a vertical dimension of here is 3 unit, and from that point I will draw a line, and this line has a dimension of 45 plus this 90 degree, so it will be 135 degree. Then I will draw offset a line, and we can see all the dimensions are 12 units, so this will also be 12 unit. So offset it to 12 unit, then I will close the shape. So after closing the shape, I will extrude boss it to 75 unit. So let's select the top face, now sketch, now normal to it, now select the center line and draw a horizontal center line. So after drawing the horizontal center line, select smart dimension option, from this point to this center circle center, dimension it to 50 unit, and it has a vertical dimension of 3 unit, so vertically dimension it to 3 unit. Now it's time for drawing the incline line, so I'm selecting the line, place the line to here and draw a incline line of 75 unit. Now select the smart dimension option, and now dimension this to this center line 45 plus 90 degree, so it will be 135 degree. Now press OK. Now select offset entities, now select this line, now offset entities to 12 unit. Now press OK. Now it's time for extrude boss it. For extrude bossing it, go to isometric view. For a better view, go to features, and now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 75 unit. Now press OK. So we can see we have drawn our this rectangular block. So it's time for doing the this extrude cut circle in the this rectangular block, and we can see this circular extrude cut has a diameter of 10 unit, and it has a vertical distance of 55 from this line, and it has a horizontal distance from this center point is 56 divided by 2 unit. So I am selecting this face. Now sketch, now normal to it for a better view. Now select a circle, place a circle here, and dimension the circle to 10 unit. So after now select smart dimension. Now set the vertical dimension to 55 unit. Now it's time for the horizontal dimension. Select this circle and select the center point, and from the center point it has a dimension of 56 divided by 2 unit. So we need to draw another circle here, so I'll use the mirror entities for mirroring. I need a center line. So first of all I am drawing a center line here. So I have drawn the center line. Now select the mirror entities, and entities to mirror, select this arc and mirror about this line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now press OK. So our extrude cut has been done. Now it's time for drawing this rectangular shape. In here we can see we have a rectangular shape. So in the right view you can see this clearly. We have a rectangular. So it is, we can see this is we have a rectangular shape here. So in this rectangular shape, first of all I'll draw this incline line. So this incline line in here, it has a dimension of, here you can see this incline line has a dimension of 75 unit from this line. So after that I will extrude it by using the rev option. So I will rev it to 12 unit. So I am selecting, for drawing this shape I need a plane here. So I will go to reference plane and select this two line and select a reference plane in the middle of here. Then I will draw this incline line and dimension it to 75 unit. Then I will rev it to 12 unit. Okay, so I'm selecting the reference plane option, and as a plane reference selecting this face and selecting this face. So it has taken the midline automatically. Now press OK. Now select this plane. Now sketch. Now normal to it. After that select a line and draw an incline line. So it's time for dimension the incline line. So select this point and dimension it from this vertical line to 75 unit. So after that press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now select the rev option, and I will rev it to 12 unit. I will rev it to 12 unit. So dimension it to 12 unit. Now press OK. So the rev has been done. So I can hide the plane now. Now you can see we have drawn our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.